Hi everyone, welcome to Linguish Tutorial. So this week our little kids have been learning a lot about Australia, Australian animals, Australian musical instrument, and look at this. We're gonna make a didgeridoo today. So this is a huge piece of cardboard, a roll of cardboard. You can of course take smaller ones, the ones where you have toilet paper on it, or anything else, anything that is hollow and round. So first, let's practice some animal sounds with your makeshift didgeridoo that we use to teach English. Let's review that with the kids. Maybe the sound of the dingo, or the sound of the snake. You can review all the animals with that, but now, it looks a bit plain. I think we are going to decorate our didgeridoo, okay? Yes, so we need paint, water, no, don't drink it, and your didgeridoo. So with small kids, what we're gonna do are circles. Let's do circles. So the technique we're going to use is dot painting. So put my finger in the water, in the paint, and let's paint some circles. Do, 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 do. So let's make a circle that way, okay? Let's have the kids repeat. It's a circle, it's a circle. Okay, a little bit more. Do, 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 do. Okay, now I want to change color. Hey! Just dip your finger in water. Okay, let's make a spiral. Ooh, a spiral. Okay, orange, an orange spiral. Do, 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 do. Let's count the spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, hey, that looks like a spiral. What about just a line? Let's change the color. Let's go for yellow. Yellow. Woo. Do, 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 do. Okay, and now, well, this will take some time to decorate the entire didgeridoo, but with your kids, please take time to decorate it, play with it, try to make animal sounds with it, and main thing, have fun with it. Thanks for watching. Bye!